Travel tripods are here to help enhance picture-perfect moments for those who love traveling the world but don't want to carry bulky photography equipment. Getting a quality travel tripod ensures that whether you're exploring the best cities in Europe or checking out Thailand's best gems, you'll get top-rated images of your memories that will last a lifetime. There are many products available to choose from, best travel tripods for photographers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best travel tripods for photographers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vanguard Alta Pro 263 AB100. Debatably the most flexible tripod on the market, the Vanguard Alta Pro 263 AB100 should be one of the first tripods on your list. Setup is quick with the easy release button, and the legs can be set at 80 degrees, 50 degrees, or 25 degrees, giving you the ability to extend it just over 68 inches high. Shaped like a hexagon, the central column moves from 180 degrees to 0 degrees, making specialized shots super easy. Other great features that put it among the best small travel tripod options are shot control, quick flip leg locks, and non-slip spiked rubber feet. All the conveniences are available with the Vanguard Alta Pro 263 AB100 to make sure your camera is stabilized and take the best pictures possible. Number 2. Joby GorillaPod 5K durability is at its finest with the best travel tripod for DSLR cameras. Able to hold up to 11 pounds, the Joby GorillaPod 5K is made from aluminum and is super flexible to help get whatever shot you need. Perfect for things like hiking in Big Sur. You can grip it if you're doing something like vlogging through the woods, and also stand it securely if you need some still shots. The wrappable legs have more than 24 leg joints, giving it the ability to rotate 360 degrees and remain stable on almost any surface, thanks to its rubberized rings and foot grips. For a tripod that blends durability with flexibility, go with the Joby GorillaPod 5K. Number 3. Zimei Z818. Versatility puts the Zimei Z818 among the best camera tripod choices on the market. Made from aluminum and magnesium, this multi-function tripod can easily transition into a monopod. It boasts a height range of 18 to 653 and offers 3 leg angle positions. Its 3.7-pound weight allows it to be stable for both indoor and outdoor photographs, and is even stable enough to be used during things like sports activities and camping trips. Coming in 6 color options, this heavy-duty tripod is an ideal addition to anyone's travel gear collection. Number 4. 3-legged Thing Punks Cory. A great hiking tripod, the 3-legged Thing Punks Cory will help capture all the angles you need. The height stretches from 4 to 58 and can hold up to 30 pounds. It creates the ideal combination of capability, size, and weight. It has a 2-section column and 5-section legs, along with the aired Neo ball head having a quick-release mounting plate. The rubber feet add to its stability, and you'll be more than impressed at how smooth the panning is. Because it folds down to only 13.7, you don't have to worry about it not fitting in your bag. It's hard to find a flaw with the 3-legged Thing Punks Cory. Number 5. Manfrotto Befree. The Manfrotto Befree is known as the best Manfrotto travel tripod, and one of the best lightweight travel tripod options. Because at 2.4 pounds, it barely adds any weight to your backpack. Thanks to its design, the legs can wrap around the head, and the quick-release plate allows for it to fold down to less than 16. The tripod supports up to 8.8 pounds, and the special design ensures cameras stay firmly in place no matter what. With the height ranging from around 13 to around 56 and patented leg angle selectors that let you choose from 2 inclinations, you should have no problem getting the exact shot you're looking for. The Manfrotto Befree continues to be a fan favorite and one of the best options for when you're on the go. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.